Hi everyone, it's me Jojo, and I am doing a video today with the incredible DovEggs Seattle, which is one of the most gorgeous jewelry companies that I've worked with. They reached out to me and I really wanted to include them in my December video series, which I've been working on, and it's been really fun. Now, I included in my video about design a little bit about like where I get my inspirations from, and check that video out if you want to have like a proper long form video. But I wanted to show you a close up of this specific design because it's an old European cut. So this is an old European cut lab grown diamond, which is so special, and it comes in this gorgeous box. It comes with a certification and it's lovely. And I wanted to actually show you it because I don't often wear gold jewelry. I've been using a lot of bags with gold hardware and I've wanted to actually change that. So I'm normally in black or like silver or platinum. I do have lots of gold jewelry as well. I've inherited quite a lot as well, but it's not my preference. So I thought, you know what, I need to have something fancy to wear with my gold jewelry. And this is so gorgeous and just sparkly and resonates beauty. The benefit of working with DovEggs is that you can cultivate and cut standard and very custom different types of jewels. And I thought it was such a wonderful thing because lab grown diamonds are nearly identical. They are identical to diamonds. They're just more custom to your taste. They're becoming very interesting to actually look at all the technology that's going into this. There's so many different brands out there, but DovEggs is definitely interesting. The main stone is a 1.06 carat E color VVS2 Clarity Old European cut lab grown diamond. It is an F color moissanite and it's 10K yellow gold. Absolutely. Lab diamonds are really eco-friendly and they create the most stunning resonance. They just look so rainbowy. Like even when you look at them in different lights, it's like, my God, and they're more affordable sometimes. They are just beautiful. They're identical in properties to natural diamonds. They're more sustainable though, and obviously they are better for the environment. So diamonds have 4 Cs. So there is the carat size, there's the color, the clarity, and the cut. Now, DovEggs gives you so much flexibility. Maybe if you're looking to create a piece for an engagement or you're creating something special for a family member, it's just been such a pleasure to work with them. I really want to do another video. I want to try something that's a bit different with them. But I loved shooting with them. It's been such a pleasure to collaborate. And I think that it's amazing to see how technology is moving forward so that you can just make these magical pieces without actually going through the arduous task of finding and sourcing your stones. And diamonds are very hard to, like, pun intended, they're very hard to get right. I think sometimes they can look quite gauche, and this one I liked it because it wasn't too in your face. I just thought it was really pretty. So thank you so much, DovEggs Seattle. Please check them out in the links below. I'll be doing more content and posting on my Instagram stories, and check out the full video for information about my design process. Thank you guys.